Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize retirement planning with personal capital, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Personal Capital website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Select Create Account to proceed. Once your account is created, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the email and click the confirmation link. Log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to the Investments section on the dashboard. Click on Retirement Planner to begin the retirement planning process. You'll be prompted to enter key financial details. Start with your current age and expected retirement age. Next, input your expected monthly contributions to retirement accounts. Include any existing retirement savings you currently have. Provide details about other income sources you expect in retirement. Enter your estimated monthly expenses after retirement. Once you've filled out all necessary fields, review your information. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on. Click Calculate to generate your retirement plan. Review the results provided by the retirement planner. Take note of any suggestions or insights presented. Adjust any inputs if necessary for a more tailored plan. Explore different scenarios by changing retirement age or contribution levels. Save your plan to keep track of progress and updates. Regularly update your information as your financial situation changes. Use the insights to make informed decisions about your retirement savings. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.